following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Beaver, and Washington, and the following counties in West Virginia: Brooke and Hancock. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Carroll County in east central Ohio, southeastern Columbiana County in east central Ohio, northern Jefferson County in east central Ohio, extreme west central Allegheny County in southwest Pennsylvania, southwestern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, northwestern Washington County in southwest Pennsylvania, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, northeastern Brooke County in northern West Virginia, until 8 a.m. At 7:24 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. This storm was located near Millport, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Millport, Mechanicstown, Lisbon, Salineville, Wellsville, Hammondsville, Newell, East Liverpool, Chester, Tomlinson on State Park, New Manchester, New Cumberland. In addition to large hail and damaging wind, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is a killer. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report hail, strong winds, or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877